Hi, Faith. Okay, I've got your ad up. I've actually, I've got your, yeah, there it is right there. But I wanted to address your writing a couple of things. I knew I wanted to use my own vacation photo. That's excellent. That's your shot. That's a nice shot. Good work. Um, so it's just sunset background. It appears purple color. Good job. That's a good fit. I think the background image is very interesting. Difficult to find high resolution images. And I just want to comment on that. You know, as a student, the image search process can be pretty daunting, downright time consuming to find the perfect image. That's not really the case in a studio setting. So when you graduate and you're working in a studio or working in an agency, you will have access to libraries of image banks, making the image search process much more straightforward. So I just want you to know that it gets easier as you get into a professional setting. Image search process is notoriously difficult for a student. So I just wanted to mention that. Or start using an image with spa atmosphere, and I'm changing the latest image as well. And yeah, I may end up changing. If we're taking my own image, okay, I get it. I get it. My heading and promotion. Yeah, all right, let's go and jump over. I think it's a great ad. It's a good start. It is. I think that there's a lot going on here. I think the strength of the ad is its simplicity and its directness. There's a couple of things we can do to increase the page harmony, and I'm going to recommend those, and then we'll talk about that masked image. Okay, so right now you have relax and enjoy by day, and then indulge in breathtaking sunsets by night. But the headline, the subhead, is almost the same size as the headline, if not the same. But it's just so close that it might as well be the same size, and that points to diminished hierarchy. Think of a newspaper where the headline is the largest, and then the subhead is a little bit smaller. So you want to reduce the size of that subhead, and if possible, bring it down to one line. So you don't have to extend that down to the second line. My recommendation would be to say relax and enjoy by day, and then just say breathtaking sunsets by night. You don't have to include indulge in. Okay. Then what you're going to do is this is beautifully left aligned, but what you want to do is you want to take a look at that left margin right there is not in alignment with. Let me show you what I mean. I'm just going to use the right side of this page as a straight edge, and I'm going to place it right there in that left margin of the body copy, and you can see that the headline, subhead are not in alignment. You want those all to be left aligned. Okay, this is a really nice technique right here. The typography looks great. This is called a deckhead. It's kind of a segue between the headline, subhead, and the body copy. That's excellent. The body copy is also set beautifully, but this is called that little word and a line alone down there, and that's called a widow. We don't want that. You want to adjust your type so you don't have one line, one word on a line, as we see down there. The way that the logo and the address, we're going to transpose this. We're going to place the logo on the right-hand side and the contact information on the left-hand side. And watch that. And don't forget to establish that left margin for your contact information. The reason we do that is, number one, is we're going to shift some visual weight a little bit. And also, this right area right here at the bottom of the composition is a great exit strategy. As viewers typically exit a page, a composition in this area anyways, we might as well reinforce our client's branding by placing the logo right there, right? I think a logo is a good size. That's excellent. This is problematic. And the reason it is because it's not a fully masked image. It's partially masked, so it's very awkward, being that the bottom of the composition is still intact, but the top is masked out. So I don't think this is working. And I know that your spa package, your package is a dinner package. Looking, so time for the dinners with 2 purchases of our deluxe box. So you're kind of a duo promotion with food and spa. So that leaves it wide open. I mean, you can use a spa image or a food image. But I wouldn't make the masked image such a prominent part of the composition. Right now, this is just obscuring the view, right? So take a look at some of the examples and see how some of your colleagues have handled the masked image itself. You see, okay? And really think about that. That's the weak point of the ad right there. I think other than that, I think the ad looks outstanding. Really good job. So that's my recommendation moving forward. If you have any questions at all, or if I can make any necessary clarifications, please let me know, and I'll be more than glad to do so. And if you need help, just give me a holler. I'm right here. All right, great start. Thank you very much.